Assalamualaikum everyone. Information Box Ticket Lifestyle brings you
Paragraph writing topic Science.
But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button for more videos. Kindly show your support to this channel so that I can make more videos for you. Science is defined as any collection of information concerned with the physical world and its wonders, as well as good perceptions and practical experimentation. Overall, science entails a search for knowledge about general truth or first law problems. Depending on the subject of study, science can be divided into numerous disciplines. Cosmology, material science, science and earth sciences are all part of physical science, which examines the inorganic world. Science is the study of Earth, its environmental aspects and conditions, as well as the living creatures that inhabit it. Science provides new information and reveals many aspects about which we have no simple or unsophisticated understanding. Science progresses in small steps. Science has now assisted man in reaching the moon, which has previously unknown to a man as a satellite. Science and logical investigations are required for any invention or clinical approach. Every other marvels that science has produced up to this point has aided progress in the areas of disease diagnosis and treatment. As a result, science will surely lead to a better future for humanity. Science is the study of any wonder or object that can be observed and documented. The data on that object or marvel may be efficiently sorted through using specified rules. Science can be found all around us. We have only just begun to grasp the principles and regulations that govern the operation of our general environment in a way that can be explained in layman's terms. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Science has done wonders for all of us in our lives. Science has discovered laws and created a swell of new products. Architecture specialists and researchers have created a wide range of constructions and gear for use in homes, offices, and businesses. Science continues to make our life easier and more beneficial and safer. Symptoms such as an increase in global temperature, contamination, conjugation weapons, and so on are being triggered by science. Unfortunately, science will not be able to prevent these responses. Science will continue to advance and improve the nature of our lives in every possible way in the future. Clinical research will increase our life expectancy and improve our quality of life. The sufficient use of vitality and resources will become more common. We will have the option of eating excellent food and drinking excellent water. It's possible that more professions and callings may advance. On occasion, one wonders if science will continue to make our lives safer, easier, more comfortable, and smoother. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Science is an academic and practical activity that includes the systematic exploration of structure, principles of nature through extensive experimentation and pragmatic perceptions. Natural sciences, social sciences, and formal sciences are three branches of science. When we talk about science, we are talking about a wide range of topics. Science is what motivates people to shape the world we live in now. Science has played a significant role in human events, and it is even the path to human events. Science has made it possible to find an explanation for almost everything that happens in our lives. Individual apprehensions were manipulated to provide for some room for the deceptive elements. Nagging has mostly been abandoned by science. One of the most important aspects of human life is science. It has a significant impact on our lifestyles, both in terms of characteristic and sociologies. It's what contributes to the current state of affairs. What else would we be able to call science if not a blessing? That we walk around in life today without even lifting a finger. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Science can be defined as anything that can be intelligently clarified. Since science was considered as clarifying plethora of events that were viewed as divine wonders in the past. Today's life of comforts and conveniences which we enjoy thanks to science. All that occurs around us is rationalized and reasoned by science. Rather than living in a state of anticipation and forecasting, we can be certain of how the future will unfold. Clinical science has aided our understanding of how a human body works. This has aided clinical studies that have discovered drugs that improve personal pleasure. The modern world is built entirely on scientific principles. Modern transportation, whether on sea, land, or air, is likewise a scientific endowment, and it is becoming more and more advanced as the years pass. Building science has given us a structure that makes better use of assets and are more secure, especially in areas prone to earthquakes, floods, volcanoes, and other natural disasters. Thanks to the internet and personal computers, data technology has a science in making data commerce simple and productive. Veterinary science involves assisting animals in living better lives. They can be dealt with ease and given a better quality of life, free of illnesses. Science is a study of Earth, its environmental aspects and conditions, as well as the living creatures that inhabit it. Science provides new information and reveals many things about which we have no simple or naive notations. Science progresses in small steps. Science has now assisted man in reaching the moon, which was previously unknown to man as a satellite. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Who was the first to present science? Many experts consider Ibn al-Haytham, who lived between 965 and 1039 AD in modern-day Iraq, to be the most important scientific researcher. Who was the first researcher in the world? Ibn al-Haytham was the primary researcher who devised the pinhole camera, discovered the principle of refraction, and studied a variety of natural phenomena such as rainbows and shrouds. Who is the world's leading female researcher? The world's first leading researcher was Marie Sklodowska-Curie, who won the Nobel Prize in Material Science in 1903 for her work on radiation. What does Science Day mean to you? Science Day is praised for showcasing all of the science activities, endeavors, and accomplishments for the benefit of human government. So remember, in science, the important thing is to never stop questioning. Science may set limits to knowledge but should not set limits to imagination. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon button for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.